Hi guys, welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can make your poultry feed. How you can make your poultry feed. You know, it's very, very important for us to learn how to make this poultry feed ourselves, because one thing is what you know is very, very important than what people usually give to you. You know, if you know everything about how you can formulate your chicken feed, you know, it will reduce the amount of money that you'll be spending in buying the feed or buying the items and stuff like that. But if you have the knowledge about it, you can go about it by formulating the chicken feed yourself. And like I said, I want to be your partner. I want to make you successful in your poultry bed. And I want you to reduce the price of money you'll be spending into your poultry chickens, feed, and the rest. And you know, feed are expensive now, so if you learn it yourself, learn this particular formula I'm giving you, I'm about to release to you guys today, you will actually love it, and if you try it, it will work efficiently, it will work for you. Yes, if only you can follow the right step and do what I just told you, combine those things together, and you have gotten your feed formula. But this one based on Broiler starter mesh feed. Yes, it will be starter mesh feed. So I'll be giving you guys a list of items, things I need to combine together, how you can go about it, then you make your chicken feed. So now let's start with number one, which is your maize. Now, although it depends on the amount of feed I want to make, that will give you that you know the actually formula that you can use. But today I will give you some formulas and some tips about how you can go about formulating this particular mesh feed. Like I said, we will be using some items, which is number one, maize. You use 40 kilo of maize. 40 kilo of maize. The second thing is to use 12 kilo of fish meal. 12 kilo of fish meal. Then the third one is to use 14 kilo of soya beans. 14 kilo of soya beans. Then you add 4 kilo of lime. Lime is very, very important, you add it to it. Then you add 70 gram of fish meal premix, 70 gram of starter premix. Yes. Then then you add 35 gram of lysine. 35 gram of lysine. All this, if you add them together, you will discover that after adding them, then you calculate the amount that you have added to the meal. Then that will be your chicken formula. And one more thing, you need to know the protein content in this particular feed, because the protein content will determine how efficient the feed will be. So you need to learn how to calculate your protein content. So in one of my videos, I'll discuss about that. I'll teach you how you can calculate your protein content in your your chicken feed, because it's very, very important. If you know your crude protein in your feed, then that will determine if the feed is good or not. You know, some people or some companies, they produce bad feed, and you wouldn't know, because you didn't know the amount of protein content that is in it. And how you can go about it is just to learn how to calculate it. Like today, in this particular formula that I just give you guys, if you try it and you say that the formula works for you, all you just need to do is next time you know how to calculate your protein content, because the protein content in the particular feed is very, very important, and the thing that you need to put into consideration also, because it matters a lot. So I decided to share this little formula with you guys, and I know that if you try it, you are going to enjoy it, because the formula is good. It has been well tested. So that was the reason why I dropped it for you guys today, because I want you guys to excel in your poultry feed, and I want you to go about it very well, and you'll be successful in your poultry feed. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so that you get notified when we drop a new video for you. Bye for now.